G'day, I'm Cam, and this is a mechanical keyboard, which I can remove the keycap from. And this is the eufyMake E1 UV printer, which I can put a keycap into and print a completely custom 3D textured design. Today, eufyMake have challenged me to reimagine classic art with modern creativity. So, I purchased a blank set of keycaps for the modern element. As for the classic, well, since thousands of teeny resin ink droplets fall from the E1's inkjet head to create its prints, I've drawn inspiration from a classic French painting technique known as pointillism. This painting is by Georges Seurat in 1884. And if we zoom in closely, we can see it's majority dots from the tip of a paintbrush. But from a regular viewing distance, it appears as a normal painting. Now the E1 has cyan, magenta, yellow, and black inks, like most color printers. However, remember this is UV resin ink, which is what makes it special. It also has white for a base layer or gloss that can be used as a clear top coat. Now to show you the dots I'm talking about, I printed a keycap with my dog's Bruce's face on it. And if we look under the microscope, we can see the teeny colored dots, which when viewed from a regular distance look like, well, regular color. And so let's design a full set of custom keyboard keycaps with the E1 inspired by Georges' pointillism. I want the 3 background colors for the keyboard. So that's the shaded grass, normal grass, and water section. As a nod to pointillism, I generated thousands of randomly placed dots and sampled their color from the original painting. The keycaps won't fit on the mini flatbed in their layout, so I'm swapping to the standard tray so I can place them out as they would sit on the keyboard, sticking down with double-sided tape to a sheet of paper to catch ink between the gaps of the keycaps. Before pressing print in the eufyMake desktop software, I need to click the snapshot button. This will use the dual laser focus system to measure the height of the keycaps, and the E1 will then also capture photos of the print surface. This way I can easily scale and position the artwork I want to print. From the variety of materials, I chose plastic. For print settings, we're going high quality, and for ink mode, CMYK plus gloss to protect from wear. Mate, I'm stoked with this result, as from a distance, it appears as if there are 3 solid colors. But when up close, you can see that they're made up of individual little dots of varying shades. And then if we take off a blue keycap and put it underneath the microscope, we can see cyan, magenta, yellow, and black drops of ink. And if we zoom all the way back out, it looks like a complete solid color. So I reckon we've knocked out that classic pointillism style of art, but to take it a step further, I added a modern flavor by programming the LEDs to match the design on the keycaps. If you liked today's video, thumbs it. If you loved it, sub it, then head to eufymake.com, linked in the description below, to check out the E1 UV printer. Or head to my channel, Cam Shand, for my full video testing every feature. Thank you for watching. Bye.